Lotaya. So she is actually practicing for her driving test. I know it's been a long time coming, but she's finally getting ready to do her test. So we're gonna practice now, we're gonna practice tomorrow. I'm gonna show both practice tests, and then she's gonna do her test when Tuesday morning. Yeah. Still waiting to find out what's happened to Melissa. I haven't heard from her. She's the first one. You were the second one, right? Yeah. So, Melissa, if you're listening, hit me back. Let me see what's up, what's going on. Are you still looking for your appointment? Anyway, before I get too much into the video, I'm gonna ask you to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are new to the channel, I welcome you to the channel. Come back often. Alright, so yeah, the DMV is now actually open for appointments. Most of the DMV, they are taking walk-ins. That's what I said. They're taking walk-ins. They're still taking appointments, but now they're taking walk-ins also. But they are only taking walk-ins early in the morning. So if you come in the middle of the day, they probably won't take you. Some probably will, most won't. So try to come early in the morning if you're trying to do the walk-in. Alright, so we're gonna run through the actual driving test. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left for the car in park, pull up the handbrake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, so now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal to the left, signal to the right, blow the horn, and press the brake. So press and release the brake. Alright, cool. Alright, so now they're gonna tell you basically to reverse from here and go to the left. So put the car in reverse. We're gonna roll straight back until the mirror gets to the end of the line, the end of the parking lot line. So look behind and reverse straight back. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, then you're going to stop and turn all the way to the right. Like about there, stop. All the way right, turn the wheel all the way right. And look behind you as you reverse. When your mirror is past the middle of this area, then you're going to stop. Off the brakes though, press the gas just a little bit. Alright, that's good enough. Stop about there. Put the car back in drive. Turn all the way left. Keep your foot on the brakes while you're turning. Alright, release the brake. And you're gonna go to the stop sign there and make a right turn. Straighten the wheel. Alright, gently on the gas, you're gonna go to the stop sign and make a right. Go a little bit over, you're kinda too close to the right here. Alright, go up a little bit more, you're going to stop here. And now you see that you're super close to the right side, right? So you gotta go up and make sure your mirror is past the curb. Right, so go ahead and do that. And your mirror is past the curb, go ahead. Go ahead, turn the wheel. Go up a little bit more. Your mirror, your back wheel is still going to be very close to the line. Okay, so you made it, but close, alright? Okay, good. So straighten up here. And you're going to make a right turn here again. Right turn, right turn, right turn. Alright, just reverse a little bit. Okay, stop here. Alright, put the car back in drive. Alright, make a right. So again, same thing here. You gotta make sure your mirror is past the curb. And we're going to straighten up here. Then go straighten the wheel. Alright, pull straight up here for a little bit. Alright, so the examiner is going to be in this general area. Stop about here. They're gonna tell you to stop. They're gonna talk to you, right? They're gonna say the next maneuver is called the quick stop or the emergency stop, or whatever they call it. What they're gonna ask you to do is speed up to 20 miles per hour, slam the brakes, stop sudden stop. Because people are always asking me, do they want you to stop smooth or slam the brakes? And I'm like, emergency, stop sudden. Alright, speed up 20 miles per hour and stop. Okay, the key here though, when you stop, make sure you're in the middle of the lane. Because now you're going to be asked to reverse. But you see that yellow line? You can't cross the yellow line.
Okay.
You understand? So you have to reverse and stay on your side. So put it in reverse. And this time, because you're like close to the line, turn the wheel slightly right. Not all the way, like that. That's fine. That's fine. Just release the brake. Look where you're going and then straighten back the wheel. Straighten the wheel. Pull reverse. We're going to do the speed up and everything again.
Okay.
Alright, stop here. I put it in drive. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do the quick stop. Again, make sure you're in the middle of the lane here. Then you start the quick stop, because if you speed up and go straight down and you're perfectly straight, then you will come straight back. And it's important because you got to be in the middle of the space. You cannot end up over the yellow line there, or you cannot end up over the line here. So you have to kind of keep the car straight when you stop, so when you reverse you can come straight back. Okay, go ahead, speed up to 20, do the sudden stop, keep it straight and stop. And again, you see you're heading towards that thing. You see that?
Yeah.
Instead of straight here, you're going towards that. Okay, reverse, straight back. Look behind. Keep the wheel straight. Look at the wheel. Keep it straight, right there. Keep going. And that is good. So that is good, except for you slightly turn that way when you're going. You see the curve there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that curve was acting like a magnet, pulling you towards it for some reason. Yeah.
So I'm straight enough now?
Yeah, you're good now.
Oh,
So
okay.
once they tell you to stop, then the
Yeah.
next thing is to do the 3-point turn. So
Okay.
put it in drive. Signal left. 3-point turn, all the way left. And the 3-point turn is going to be between the parallel white line here and the one over there. So you can't cross the line.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead. Release it, brake. Alright, stop here. Remember, you can't cross that line, right? Alright, put it in reverse. All the way to the right. All the way until it stops. Look over your left shoulder. And again, you're going to stop when the mirror is past the middle.
Okay.
Keep going back. When your mirror is past the middle of this line. See right there? Right there. The yellow line, middle of the space.
Right
yes.
here. Okay.
Alright, put the car back in drive. Signal left again. Turn left. And release your brake. Let the car roll. And then straighten up and make a right turn at the stop sign. No rush. No rush. Remember what I said? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Stay more in the middle of the lane here. Signal to the right. And you're going to go up a little bit more. You're going to stop. Look to the left. Make sure there's nothing coming there. Look to the right. And then go ahead and make your right turn. Turn all the way right. All the way. And we're going to go up to the second one and make a right turn. Straighten the wheel. Make a right turn up here. Signal right. Slow down. Go up a little bit more. Turn all the way. Alright, straighten the wheel. No rush. Take your time. Press the gas. Go straight down to the end. Now we're going to make the right turn up here. So signal right. And again, there's no stop signs here, but you treat it like a stop sign because there is supposed to be a stop sign there. I guess it was blown down by hurricane or whatever. But even though there isn't a stop sign, you have to treat it like there is. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. Alright, straighten the wheel. No rush, no rush. Take your time. Alright, we're going to go down to the next one and we're going to make a right turn again. So signal right. And again, you're going to go up into the mirror past the curb. Slow down, slow down. Turn all the way right. Alright, straighten the wheel. Let it roll though. Straighten up, go straight up here a little bit. And the examiner is gonna be, like I said, over in this area. They're gonna tell you to stop about here. Stop. And then they're gonna say the next maneuver is parking in between the 4 cones that will be right over there. So you're gonna start close to your right side, line up your mirror with the cones, and go ahead and park. Go ahead. So closer to the right is always better. When you're parking, wherever you're parking, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is, the more space you have, right?
Okay.
So always try to, first thing, pull closer to the right side. Go up here, line up your mirror. Stop up, no, you passed it, see? Reverse. See, you're not even pressing the brake. Look behind. Now keep the wheel straight. Don't turn the wheel at all. Keep it straight, like that. Just let go of the brakes. And you're lining up the mirror like that, right there. Put the car back in drive. See what I'm saying? Like that. Keep it, turn the wheel all the way left. Release your brake. And okay, stop here, straighten the wheel. 1, all the way around again. 2, and then release your brake and roll straight in. And stop. And again, you know, the parking is pretty straightforward. The parking is as easy as it gets, really. If you do what you're supposed to do, the parking is super easy. All right, so reverse from here, and you're gonna back straight out of the space. Look behind you, and roll straight back. Gently on the gas, gently. When your mirror past the cone, which is about here, you stop, turn the wheel all the way left. Look behind and reverse. And stop there, put the car in drive. All the way to the right. So once you back out of the parking space, the test is pretty much done, right? Okay. Now, even though it's done, if they observe you doing some foolishness driving on the wrong side of the road or running the stop sign, they probably can still fail you. Probably will, actually. Okay. Let go of the brake. But for all intents and purposes, once you back out of the cone there, your test is pretty much done. Again, unless you do something egregious like run the stop sign or drive on the wrong side all the way down. Alright, signal left. Stop completely. And looking both ways here. And go ahead and make it left. Take your time. Straighten up. Make a left again, right here. Easy, nice and easy. No rush. Turn the wheel. No rush. You like rushing, eh? You like rushing. Park on the left side. Go for a little bit more. Alright, stop right there. Alright, signal left, all the way left. Turn the wheel, all the way left. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, I gotta edit that video. A lot of edits. Alright, stop here and straighten the wheel. All the way right there. Go straight in. And stop. Put the car in park. Alright, what do you think you did?
I need to brush up.
You need to brush up or you need to relax?
I need both. Both.
Okay, so she's in the process. She's gonna be fine, but she's actually quite a bit tense today. It is her first time practicing, but she's way more nervous than she needs to be. So we have another practice tomorrow.
Yeah. And
tomorrow I'm gonna do another video, so you'll see how much better she does tomorrow. But yeah, today she did enough to know that tomorrow she'll be fine. And then she'll pass her test on Tuesday. Alright? Again, so thanks for watching. Please check back often. Share the video, tell your friends about the channel. Hit that notification bell, by the way. And for all the people asking me to show the outside of the driving test, as I've mentioned before, I cannot show the outside because the DMV, I had videos on that showed the outside and they ordered me to take them down. I cannot put videos on my channel that shows the actual driving test course. I can give you an idea of what it is by showing us practicing it. There's a lot of people getting it from just watching us practicing, because I get multiple comments about how helpful the videos are. So for those of you that is not obviously getting what I'm trying to show by watching the videos, I can't help you. I'm sorry. I'm doing the best I can. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing as much as I am allowed to show. Alright? Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.